You will be able to do fault code reading from here, which will give you freeze frame data, and it will show you the status of it. You will have help and component, which will show you the effects of the code, while also telling you which exact part you're looking for. And if you see more information about the component, it will show you the exact part that you're looking for, and it will show you where it connects on the engine, system components, coolant fluid, temperature, pinouts, tightening torques, removal and installation procedure, and measurements. The next step is going to be fault code troubleshooting, which will, similarly to the component replacement guide, it will give you steps necessary to properly clear the fault code without it showing again in a couple of days or even hours back on your equipment. Now if we again expand all, it will show you exactly everything and how to do it. You can also view the part on the diagram, which will show you exactly where it connects on the overlay, and it will show you the pinouts and verifying it. Let's just zoom in. So the part we're looking for is located right here, CP16. It connects to the main ECU. These are other parts that you can also interact with. If you double click on it, it will show you information specific to the part. And again, component replacement guide. So basically everything on this engine can be replaced, from the ECU, which we will see in a bit, to other parts. Now here's the ECU. Again, everything is here, and again, component replacement guides. We will have monitoring of live data sensors. In this case, it will take some time to load, because if I'm not mistaken, ISB 6.7 has more than 9,000 sensors connecting to the engine, which you will be able to manually select whichever you need and do a live monitor of how they react. Left side, again, groups. This is going to be the main part. As you can see, 9,456. Not going to focus on all of them. Let's go to speed. Left, vehicle speed, cruise control, front axis, just selecting randomly one of these to show you all the interactive views you can do. This is a diagram view, and this is a more interactive panel which will show you what is going on. Going outside, you have specific system data, which are pretty similar to the previous one, but are specific for this case. Again, if you choose, you will have those displays, and we have system displays which will show us the fuel system and exhaust gas treatment systems. Okay, here's the fuel overlay. This is the exhaust gas system 1, 2, 3, and 4. This will come in handy when you do force regens or filter regen in general. You will have this type of overview. Maintenance, there we go, filter regeneration. You will always have an explanation of what is going on in the test, and initial conditions you must meet before you proceed. And the initial filter regen test. If you click on any of these links, it will get you to the component replacement guide. What that will do, it will give you proper preparation steps, how to prepare, remove, and reinstall the correct part, after which you will scan the for fault codes, and you will properly be able to install it. Now if we expand on all of the steps, you can see that the explanations are deep, and it covers every possible step of the way for you to exactly replace that specific part.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.